one. This is the co-owner of Cecilio, and I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use it efficiently if you're new at buying it. Sorry for the background noise, because my fucking air conditioner is on. Alright, so load up Cecilio. If you haven't already, I sent you the... If you bought Cecilio, you should get the IP. The port is 1488, so you put 1448 in here. You click Telnet, 1448. You give it a name, like blah blah blah, Cecilio, and then you put in the IP and you click save. Once you do that, double click it, type in the CAPTCHA, type in your username and password. And there you go, you're in the net. I will be giving a quick explanation of all the methods because people are confused. Okay, so step 1, type methods. Okay, so home insanity is for home connections. So let's get an IP right here. Ping 72 228 blah blah. This is my friend's IP. He has a normal Spectrum router. It's offline right now because if you go to attacks, we don't have an attacks command, but I just hit it offline. So let's do this. Alright, sorry, my family came in. Anyways, once you have the IP of the home you want to hit, just type in attack, you type in the IP. So port is just what it uses to go through. Like, think of it as like a gate, like a dam, right? Water can't go through if the dam is closed, and if the port's open, it can. So default port for home connections is port 80. Time, you can do 1200 seconds if you want. But that's 20 minutes, and you can keep doing it and deep doing it and, you know, fuck them up. So let's just do 60 seconds. Let's do home-insanity. Allow up to 15 seconds. Which it only takes around 7 seconds, but... Okay, request timed out. That means that the router's not working. So, on to step 2. If you want to hit a Roblox server, you're going to type in attack. Then you're going to type in STD as the method. And then, yeah, you can just get the Roblox server IP a different way. Just, I'll put that in another video. These OVH, that's for DDoS protection. Shit, OVH. Okay, now websites. If you want to know how to take a website down, you always use HTTPS Storm or Auto Bypass. Use HTTPS Storm though. So you type in attack. You type in, let's see, what are we gonna DDoS? Let's do Snoop Dogg. Let's do Snoop Dogg. No, let's do enforcement.xbox.com. I think it's still down for, yep, it's still down from when I hit it. Okay. Let's do snoopdogg.com. So, here we go. We have snoopdogg.com. So what you do is you copy and paste this. Right click. You right click and putty to paste. Port 443. For websites, you always use 443. Remember that. 443 for websites. Let's do 60 seconds and let's do HTTPS Storm. So allow up to 6 to 10 seconds. Alright, it's sent. Let's refresh the page. And done. Website's fucked. Let's do that. Boom. So, that's your tutorial. We also have, you can type in help. You can type attack help. There we go, and we have shit like here. Just type in attack, type in help, attack help, and yeah. You can also type in tools as well. Snoop Dogg, it just loaded, but I did a 60-second attack, so I mean, hey. Alright, now, IP lookup. You can type in this. Okay, you can't do that, I guess. I guess you can only do... Let's do this. Okay, there we go. America, New York, Porno. Okay. So, that's it. Read TOS, follow the rules, and yeah.